My name is Rochelle Manley, and I am a consultant for NWOET, a nonprofit that travels around to school districts in Northwest Ohio doing professional development on how to use technology. This is one of the videos in a series where we will discuss how to use a Google Chrome extension called Screencastify. In this video, we are going to go over the free version of this extension versus the paid version. So if you look at my screen here, I have your free version is $0. So we have the free, the unlimited, and schools. I'm going to scroll down a little bit so that you can see the entire package deal here. All right, so this is for educators. So there's an education deal that I clicked on at the top. It is actually $49 for anybody that's not an educator. So $0 is free forever. You can record up to 5 minutes per video on the free version, with all of the recording features included. So you only have 5 minutes on the free version. On the $29 version for educators, you can record unlimited. So your video can be very long. I'm not going to discuss too much the custom. This is actually for school districts. I'm going to focus more on the free versus the paid per person per year. So the cost is either free or $29 a year for educators. So in the free plan, you can record using your webcam only. You can record your browser tab or your desktop, and each of these allows you to embed the web camera in the view. You can trim your video on the front and the back of the video, either at the beginning or the end. Your videos get auto-saved to your Google Drive in a folder called Screencastify. You can share it easily to your Google Classroom. You can also export as either an MP4, a GIF or a GIF, however you pronounce it, and an MP3. It has full HD resolution, so high definition. You can have the annotation tools available to you, and you can publish easily to YouTube. Now, the paid version has all of that, plus you have unlimited recording lengths, like I mentioned. You have access to their video editor, where you can merge videos together and reorder your clips. You can crop your recordings. You can add a text over your video clips, and they have a priority support that's available for their paid users. I do want to mention before I finish this video that there is a component of Screencastify that is in beta testing currently called Screencastify Submit. I don't know for sure if they are going to include that in the unlimited version or if that'll be a different cost. I have heard rumor that it might be a different cost. I have actually used the Screencastify Submit. Let me say that again. Screencastify Submit. I've personally used it several times, and it's very simple and easy to send an assignment link to your students. They click on it, record their video, and submit it back to you. When they submit it, it gets collected in a folder on your Google Drive under that assignment. So that's a really simple and easy way of using that. So in the next video, we will look at more of the functionality of Screencastify Submit.